This is a spreadsheet from ThinkFree Office, HANCOM. It's a Java-based Excel clone. You can usually open it with LibreOffice. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to open it. The final quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single cell file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A cell file is a spreadsheet document created by ThinkFree Office Calc, a component of the ThinkFree Office suite. It stores tabular data, formulas, charts, and formatting, similar to Microsoft Excel's XLSX format. Cell files are used for organizing, analyzing, and presenting data in a structured manner, enabling users to perform calculations, create visualizations, and manage information efficiently. Cell files adhere to a proprietary binary format specific to ThinkFree Office Calc. The file structure includes sections for storing cell data, formulas, formatting attributes, and embedded objects. ThinkFree Office Calc provides tools for importing and exporting data from various formats, including Excel's XLS and XLSX formats, facilitating interoperability with other spreadsheet applications. The cell format was designed to be handled by ThinkFree Office Calc from HANCOM. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows provides minimal detail, so serious editing must be done in a spreadsheet application. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the cell file and click Open with Test ThinkFree Office Calc first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If you still cannot open your cell file, that is okay. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your cell problem. First, use ThinkFree Office. Open the file using ThinkFree Office NEO, the required application for the spreadsheet. Next, check version. Ensure your ThinkFree Office version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to XLSX ODS. Use the software's export function to save the file as a universal format like XLSX or ODS. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.